Welcome, Agile friends. My name is Shane Hasty, and I'm hosting this session with our amazing speaker, Sharon Robson. Today, Sharon is going to tell us about agility and crisis management and how they overlap, how they complement each other, and a whole lot more, I'm sure. Sharon, welcome. Thanks for talking to us today.
Thanks, Shane. It's great to be here.
So, just before we get into this session, just a reminder to everybody who's watching that there's a whole lot of other sessions in the Agile Online Summit 2023. In the APAC region, we've got the great keynote with Sandy Mimoli. We've had interesting conversations with a number of other folks. So please check those out at agileonlinesummit.com. All right, but now it is time to focus on today's guest and our topic for this session. So, Sharon, agility and crisis management. Tell me more.
Well, it's a bit of a story, Shane. I was all geared up to go to Agile 2023 in Orlando, and I was cruising through the lineup for Orlando, and I thought, it's all the same. It's all the same people saying the same things. I want something different. I want something to push me outside of my agility comfort zone. That's why I go to conferences, and that's what I was looking for. So I happened to be cruising the web, looking for what else was on in the US at that time of year, and I stumbled across this course at MIT. Now, the first thing is MIT. So for those of us not from the USA, MIT is like, wow. The second part of it was the title of the course, Crisis Management and Business Resilience. And I thought, now that's interesting because agility is about resilience. Agility is about adapting, pivoting, learning, changing. So the thought struck me, I wonder what the overlap is. So I went and I bought my agility lens, and my whole thesis was that there is a strong overlap between crisis management and business resiliency and agility. But the other thing that I was looking for is what do they do differently in a different domain, in a different part of an organization? What are they doing differently that we as agilistas can borrow and apply?
So an alternate to just another Agile conference, and sounds like it was some interesting stuff in there. What would be key points that you did find?
Points. First one that stood out to me, crisis management and business resilience is all about agility, working iteratively and adjusting as you are executing. Lean, do just what you need to do to achieve the outcome that you're aiming for. And systems thinking, which is all about extending your understanding of the system. It was so wonderful that the first couple of days that we were there for the course, we dealt deeply with complexity, see the whole solution, think beyond the current state, start with the end in mind. So I was just like in my zone of translating the language that they were using to agility concepts, which was just fabulous. And then they had some really powerful key elements that made up crisis management and business resiliency, which I thought, well, I can use that when I'm talking to people about agility and lean and building a robust organization that is able to pivot and change based on what's happening around us.
So who else was there?
Oh, it was great. It was so good. So for anyone who knows me and for those who don't, I love the USA. I don't know why. I just love